How to enable gaming tools for games on your Xiaomi phone with Hyper OS 3. In order for that sidebar gaming tool to show up for games, you'll need to enable what is known as the side toolbox for your Xiaomi phone. To enable the side toolbox, go ahead and use the quick access. Tap on the settings right here, then go ahead and use the search settings and just simply type in the words side toolbox. And as you start typing it, you'll see the suggestion here. Once you go into it, of course, you want to either turn it on for other apps if you're interested, or the one that has in-game shortcuts. This option is the one for the gaming, all right? So when you turn this on here, the next thing you want to do is go down to where it says Manage Gaming Apps. As you go into this here, you want to go down the list of all the apps you have and turn it on for the games. So for example, I had it on for Hungry Shark. And if you have any other games on your phone that you want the side game toolbar to show up, go ahead and turn it on. So currently I also have the Sonic Boom game here. You want to also turn it on for that. And it's going to show you now which games have it enabled for. All right. So with all that said and done now, let's go back to the game. Now, once you're in the game, depending on your game, if it's the landscape or the portrait mode, it is usually found to the left top area. And you will notice it with that little sort of bar right here. It's kind of faded in at the moment, but once you swipe in away from it, you will see that it's going to show you the options here, okay? So once you're inside of it now, you'll see gaming tools, balance, performance, and a few other options here. And you can also go into the games here section here and get some more if you're interested in that. And it depends on your phone model, which type you have. But that's how you would go about enabling the gaming toolbar for games, like and sub.